Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 22nd, our word of the day is Argot. A-R-G-O-T. Argot. Argot is a 5-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Argot means words and expressions that are used by small groups of people and that are not easily understood by other people. In other words, a language particular to a specific group. It can mean a kind of slang, a technical language, or a code. In high school, only those who spend their time studying computer manuals could understand the argot of the computer lab kids. Similar words include lingo, parlance, patois, vernacular, jargon, dialect, idiom, slang, terminology, vocabulary. Examples of sentences using argot are: every generation develops a new argot to separate itself from the one before. I will make sure that the services avoid the use of argot. We are talking about a term which is a common argot within the legal trade. He knows thieves' argot. Many groups communicate in their own secret argots. The novel is written with literary language with elements of argot and slang of drug addicts. Make sure to save this new word, argot, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.